What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Whoa by XXXTentacion. I wanted to start this video off by saying happy holidays to all of you, and thank you so much to everybody who's helped support the channel. I was really excited when X dropped this album because I knew a lot of you guys were going to want me to show you how to play the songs from the album, and I think I figured out almost all of them. So I'm going to be releasing a lot of videos over the next couple of days, hopefully covering this entire album. As always, if you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel, and once you get done with the video, check the description below. I've left a link there for a free ebook for you guys called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Just a little gift I like to give away to everybody who comes to the channel and checks out the videos. It's great for all skill levels, especially for you beginners. So once you get done with the video, check the description below, go get your free ebook. For now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, so for this song, you're starting out with CAPO on your 2nd fret. I will show you the variations if you don't have a CAPO. It makes the song a little bit harder to play, but I'll show you the chords without the CAPO as well. But the easiest way to play it is with the CAPO on your 2nd fret. You have 3 chords. You're gonna start with a C chord, ring finger on the 3rd fret on the A string, middle finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, index finger on the 1st fret on the B string. Next chord is a D. It's going to be your index finger on your 2nd fret on your G string, your ring finger on your 3rd fret on your B string, and your middle finger on your 2nd fret on your E string. 3rd chord is going to be E minor. That's going to be your middle finger on your 2nd fret on your A string, and your ring finger on your 2nd fret on your D string. Now the way you switch between these chords is a little bit different. I'll show you how it goes. So it starts on your C. You're going E, D, C, E, D, C, E, D, C, E, D. A strumming pattern you can kind of keep through that whole motion, through the whole chord progression, is going to be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Slowly that looks like down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. You start on your C. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Switch to your E. Down, down, up, down, down, up. And then right there is when you switch to your D for the up, down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, C. Start over again. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Switch for down, down, up, down, down. Switch on up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So slowly the whole progression looks like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That part can be a little tricky. Watch that section over and over again if you need to. Slow it down a little bit. It might take a second for you to get the rhythm of it, but it's not super hard. Just keep practicing and you'll get it. Alright, so you can play this song without a CAPO as well. Like I said, it makes it a little bit more difficult. What the chords are for no CAPO is going to be D, and then F sharp minor, which is a bar. You bar the entire 2nd fret with your index finger. You put your ring finger on the 4th fret on the A string and your pinky finger on the 4th fret on the D string. And then your 3rd chord is going to be an E major, which is your index finger on your 1st fret on your G string, middle finger on your 2nd fret on your A string, ring finger 2nd fret on your D string. Strumming pattern is going to be the exact same. The chords are D, F sharp minor, E. So it looks like this. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. If this video was helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And again, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Leave any questions or comments or concerns in the comment section below, along with any other songs that you guys want me to teach you. Don't forget to get your free ebook in the description below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.